because today I'm going to be organizing our little bucket thing and throwing away all the trash and also the fridge. So yes, let's just start off with this. Okay, as you can see, this would be, I'm just going to break it down and put it in a garbage can. I'm just going to break it down and put it in the garbage can so you guys can see. I'm just going to put all the trash in the pile right there. So yeah. I'm just going to take all the first. Take this parchment paper out. And then this one. I'm going to break down this box and what? What time you got to eat breakfast? Well, it's not 9. It's not 9 yet. Let me. Got about like an hour 20 minutes. So, here are the two things. Get part out. Warheads, chewy bunnies. Over there. Good. So yeah. Here's some more trash. Another food. Some more trash. Some chips. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Ramen noodles. Here, this is Freestone slices. They're peaches, Freestone peaches. And we have berry cherry, which is, this is like, oh, this is really good. I know, this is from like my babyhood. I don't want to say child, because I'm still a child, of course. I'll always be a child of God, but berry cherry, it has like the cherries in it, the peaches, the green grape, the good. Cereal and Gatorade. Let's just start putting this stuff in there. We're going to put the cans in there. No. I'm going to put this in. Then we're going to be putting popcorn back there. with the cans. Cereal. It's 4 eggs. I have one. And the parchment paper. That's how it looks now. So the parchment paper's right there. Then we have the popsicles back there. Then we have the pasta, the mac and cheese, and the mac and cheese right there. And the cereal, and the Warhead gummies, and then the cans, and the Gatorade, and then the cereal behind that. And up here we have Pop-Tarts and popcorn, and then sticks. And let's throw that away. Here's how it looks right now. No organization whatsoever. So, we're gonna put the one down and then the other one down. That's it. Take each side and the food. here is the wine and the relish, then the milks, then there goes the sweet tea, diet sweet tea, and then Pepsi, and then eggs, and then Tostino's pizza, chicken breast, and that, because that needs to be eaten. Then down here we have the little like tortillas and meats and pizza, oven baked beans, this chicken nuggets, and then all the here's fully cooked bacon, and then the bologna or the sandwich meat, and then sausage, hot dogs, and then I think that's already made hot dogs, and this is fruit. And then here's all the jellos, the yogurt smoothies, and then go-gurts, and then this, and then here are all the dairy stuff. This is the cottage cheese, the margarine, and then the 2 yogurts. So let's go to this side. Here's sandy liquor juice and syrup, chocolate syrup, and dressing. What?
Were you staying up every night?
Hmm?
Were you awake every night?
No. So, thank you guys. Okay, that's how it looks. So yeah, all done. Bye guys.